Oh, that button. Be that in. How that lightning. Chain hit like lightning. Skirt. What's good, good? All right, we're here. No need to fear. No more crying. Trial of Diddy is so rigged. What do you mean, bro? What do you even mean? He didn't do nothing. No, I'm kidding. He didn't do nothing. Guys, if you guys ever have Ollie on here, or if any of you guys ever, like, Ollie's gonna go live on YouTube more, I guess. He's gonna start going live again. Bro, everyone fucking spam Diddy in his chat. All day, every day. Diddy only. Bro, that's insane. You're still in Naj from this morning. Deb, you gotta learn to let runners. Come on, chat. What do you guys think? You're with the GOAT. You're with the GOAT. I mean, Diddy is low-key innocent. What is... Alright, chat, let's not bring that up down to this. You guys can see up 1600 still on the runner. You could see closed out. Oh, sheesh. Closed out already too, and then the runner running like that. And of course, same screen. A live account. All the haters, you know, you can try and DM me, whatever the fuck. It would have a little green demo in the freaking corner. Get off my dick. No, I'm kidding. Wait, what is this? Remind me later. Get off my... No, I'm kidding. Way they did my dog. No, that ass ain't coming back. Biggest troll. Easy dubs this morning? Yes, sir. W broker, yes, sir. Am I 1 to 7 to parse 1? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we're about to be up 1700 on that runner. Absolutely amazing. How am I doing though, chat? Is it loud enough? Am I up to date? Hello. Hello. So it's like 2 seconds off, chat. So I take an entry, you're 2 seconds behind. Sorry. I gotta fix this. Yeah. All right. Let's get into it, guys. So yeah, absolutely beautiful morning on NASDAQ. Took some beautiful longs with NLT Elite. If you guys are not NLT Elite, I just feel bad at this point. It's just free money, but it's all good. You know, I'm not gonna judge you. US 30 even. US 30 had a beautiful sell-off that I also marked this up for those to capitalize. So this one a nice like 1 to 3 kind of down, but NAS on the other hand, guys, took the longs, break above down in here, over in here, and that's all she wrote. So look at over here on NAS, guys, this is the buy. Come on, stop playing with the kid. Come on, come on, come on. Yo, what's up, G? I'm on live stream. Yeah, bro, we're just here with the gang, just crushing live stream, making money, you know. What's up? Yeah, I know, I'm fired up. I'll call you after. I'm only gonna be here for a little bit. All right, I'll talk to you. Peace out, bro. Bye. Oh, that biting. I was waiting for Nas longs this morning, Luca, but I started driving. I missed out on a banger. Sheesh. Damn it. No, I'm kidding. There's always another day. Yo, Luca, how do you get that indicator that shows the session highs and lows? It's $19.99 down in the description. and all I need is your social security and your first and last name and your address and credit card information. And that's it. That's it. And then you get the indicator. So if you're down, just put your social in the thing. Now I'm totally kidding. If you come up here, guys, top left corner, you go into indicators and then you type in Sonar Lab sessions. So right here I have trading sessions, Sonar Lab. When you click on that, it'll pop up on your screen, but it'll be all colorful. I'll quickly just go like this, guys. This is my GMT version session count. Go down, down, down. And you guys can just pause the stream and kind of do that. But that's that. The style, I just do like a low opacity with gray. When you guys first put it on your screen, it's going to be like all colorful and shit. I just don't like it. It makes your whole screen like a rainbow. You know what I'm saying? So. Bro, someone saying I gotta do that trend line thing. Bro, come on. He even went over it. Show the crew. Oh yeah, I gotta bring that up. Guys, who liked the vlog from yesterday? Who went and watched it? Yeah, I gotta bring that up actually. Hold on. Get it back in. Actually, I'll just go over it first. All right, guys. So, like, if you asked me, did you show? Like, I didn't show him the Jordan thing. I gotta send it to him. This is the best part of the whole fucking video. Let's go pick it up right now. Let's go. Shout out that boy Nick's here picking me up, taking me to go pick up the car. What do you think of it? You've seen it. What do you think?
If it's, I mean...
shut the fuck up. Like I said, you've only seen pictures. I haven't seen it in person. It's so fucked up. But this is what Rudy sent me. Can you guys see this? Oh no, I got you. This is what Rudy sent me, chat. What the funniest part is, this is me right here when the light bill calls for like the 6th time of the day. When the light bill company keeps calling, sheesh, you know you're down bad. That's funny. I had to. Oh my god. Nick going through it. Someone commented, was like, leave him alone. He's getting new to be on camera. It's just like, so funny. Nick got to fight back. Nick tries to give me shit back. It's just so funny. He's learning. He's getting a little bit more funny. He's getting funnier. He's getting off of me. He'll diss me, like, he'll say shit that like I would say to him, but he's just quicker now. I'm like, oh, okay. Good job. Good job, young Padawan. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I gotta put the link on my story saying come through. Saying come through with the gang. I'm here chopping it up with the whole gang, ready to take some fucking moolah. And then let's break down some trades, guys. We'll break down what we're looking at. I'm still holding NAS this morning, whatever, but I'm still down. Still definitely down. Come on. Oh my god, I have like a fucking, so funny. I have like a sunburn, not a sunburn, but like I had my glasses on yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Back live with the gang. Oh wait, I totally just like, I was about to take a video of the chat, but the chat just says Nick going through it. So I should take a video of the chat. Oh god. A sunglasses tan line. I know it sucks. All right, let's get into it. All right, chat. Where should we even start on? We'll just start on one screen, and then we'll drop down to 2. All right. Remove drawings. So if we go out here, guys, and we jump out to the hourly time frame, awesome retracement. The first thing I went over on this morning when I was on with NLT Elite is the low that got swept down in here, right? It's a previous session low, previous New York session. We channeled back up, tried to push back down, swept this, and had a reaction off of it heading into New York. After I saw this sweep and we started kind of pushing up like this, I made a higher high, higher low. I mean, to me, it just was, higher high, higher low, trend line break, like right here. Entry right here. Wasn't honestly, rocket science, whatever, but this is the first position. All right. This is what I got into this morning. Still in it. I don't know if you guys saw, but I'm still in it. Still holding, still up 1600. Probably have more now because it's actually going back up. But ultimately, that was trade from this morning. Now let's go into what's happening now. Awful price action since this closure here. The way you guys can tell is that you see the difference in the candles. Look at these candles clearly distributing away from each other, clearly going, they're like larger. Then look in here. Choppy as fuck. All sideways, not showing much. And now we're kind of in a wedge, right? So 5 minutes not showing me too much. That's why we go to 1 minute straight demon. Don't play with me. All right. Lows over here. Right? I would say we had somewhat of a trend line like this that got broken. It looks like we broke and retested it. You see here, like we had this, we kind of broke, retested on it. Looked like we're kind of continuing up. But ultimately it's just something like that, really. Let's see, we got the 11:15 candle, 15-minute. Yeah, I feel like we're gonna reject. We should come take out these lows. I would say, see if we can get a reaction there. I still say we're overall bullish on that. We could wait to see, guys. I'm kind of open to, like, if we kind of sweep and then show a long position, we can. If we kind of like channel up in here, take out the highs again and show volume coming down, maybe short into these lows. We'll have to see, but not too much on NASDAQ just yet. And then we talk about US 30, start on the hour, go to the hour, still super bullish, pushed up, kind of channeled back up, and then we have this push down, swept these lows to have a reaction here. And it looks like we kind of came up, we're coming back down. It looks like we may be tapping into a fib level. What's good? Yeah, so it looks like we're tapping into the golden zone currently on the hourly retracement here of that, even if we go on the 30-minute and such. So that's definitely something we could maybe look out for. I see a trend line kind of coming down. Kind of like this, but not the best. Not the best one. Right. Do something like this, and we can kind of go down and correct it on the lower time frames. Put it the 5-minute. Still within this channel, we just took out this low. Had a nice reaction off of it. Like I said, guys, we are in discount of this impulse. If you were to consider this a bullish impulse from that low to that high, we're tapping into here. And, not the worst long position there. Can you explain the fib tool and why those values are called discount and golden zone and your settings for the fib tool? Yeah, I also have a full video on my YouTube going kind of in depth on it, but I can give you a sense of, well, you definitely should know. Wait, hold on, I actually forgot to put this on my story. Put on my story saying it's time to eat. Join up. I'm gonna put the milk emoji because I just be fucking breastfeeding these fuckers. No, I'm totally kidding. Kind of funny though. Breastfeeding these fuckers. What? I'm gonna say live trading. Alright guys, we give him some US 30, some fucking a shot. Chain hit like lightning. Guys, I kind of like it. I can't even lie. I'd be lying to your freaking faces if I said like it. Sheesh. Off that 15-minute push too. Like, what's goody? We're up 1,700 on the runner. Still holding. Which is, I would say, relatively nice. Are you in? No, I'll let you guys know. I'm in a position from this morning. I'm not in a new position. You guys will see. I get into a new position. NASDAQ's rallying too? Oh, shit. Might be that time, chat. All right, guys, on US 30, might be looking at a long opportunity. We're in discount. We already swept lows. We are taking out highs. If we could look for like a 1-minute little retracement. Oh, we kind of are. We kind of are retracing a bit. We're on the 5-minute here, but if you look at the 1-minute, starting to retrace a bit. So see if you can retrace a bit, maybe like re-break or such. Like, what's goody? Could still be a bit early, but do you know how to close partials on liquid? How about you just use gates? It's way better. Oh, chat. The link's in the description for gates too. Chat, we're starting to push there. I see on NASDAQ, we're starting to reject a bit as well. What I like about US 30 more is, guys, if you look over my screen, I mean, this looks a little ugly right now because I do have the fib up. Let me just get rid of it to help your guys' eyes not be fucking just blind. But you see how it's kind of rejecting a bit over here as well. But the thing I like about US 30 more than NASDAQ, actually, let's actually see who can guess first. Let's see who can guess. You know, I want you guys to actually be learning stuff when you guys come to these lives. You guys don't even fucking need me anymore. Why do you guys think I like US 30 more than NASDAQ? It's more in discount. That's one of them, actually. US grabbed liquidity, exactly. No, liquidity. So you guys can see here, we're overall bullish on this push. We pushed down and we swept this low you guys see right here. Let me circle it so you guys can see. This low right here got swept, which got a bunch of breakout traders in, then pushed price up, stopping them out, right? So to me, it took out the low to go, right? Whereas NASDAQ over here, we kind of took out over here, but then we held again, breaking up, right? So like I would say that like liquidity might be sitting like, you know, like this, under down in here on NASDAQ. Whereas like on US 30, I wouldn't really say the same. You know what I'm saying? Ultimately, guys, is a pretty big stop loss. You know what I'm saying? Looks cleaner buys. I think US 30 does look cleaner buys, 15-minute stuff. It looks like we're coming, you know, you kind of went. I hate that the MA is right there. But, you know, I don't get to pick. I don't get to pick. I just got to show up. All right, guys. So I'm on the 1 minute. If we like break past these highs with a ton of volume, I might pull this trigger. Our whole goal is trying to get, guys, I don't know if you guys have been trading with me, but my whole goal usually is literally how soon can I put stops to break even? Especially on these scalps that are like, we're just trying to get into profit. We can run. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Let's see what we can get. So more discount liquidity. Thanks, bro. I'm really trying to learn this so you don't have to. Yeah, no, I was just kidding, bro. I just am here to trade live. Everyone is, come on. Everyone needs some milk. Dude, congrats on the new web. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Patience pays. And we have some nice like equal highs right here to be broken. Let's see if we can, you know, we could just be retracing the discount of this too. Right here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. What are you guys thinking, chat? Got milk, new had. Goat milk. Time to eat. What you hungry for? Goat milk. Beat that back. Yeah, now that might. Let's go. Do you ever trade on a higher time frame during power hour? I don't trade on a higher time frame ever. Why would you use like one strategy like one time of the day and then you're just gonna go change it for then like a different time of the day? Trade like a new strategy. Don't make as much sense. Beat that. Chat, I need some new music. Someone put me on. And no, Rudy, no H-Town slaps. No, I'm totally kidding. H-Town does have some slaps. Damn. Damn. Oh, that. Right. So are we looking to take a trade on the 1 minute? Yeah, I mean, usually it's like 1 minute, 5 minute. Would you consider you taking these US 30 buys you break highs? Yes. I want to see some volume on the push though. You know, we can't just like kind of come channel up on the highs and whatnot. I want to see like a clean break. So how music with that? Some boots. Luca.NoLimit and some boots. All right, guys. Eyes on US 30. Eyes on US 30. That's some good volume. Come on. Come on. Come on, yeah. I hate that the MA is right there, but we might give it a shot. I hate that we're just wicking above, guys. I kind of want to give it a shot right here, but I hate that we just keep wicking above. Time is this? A 30-minute open in a second too. What does 30-minute look like? You see, guys, that's why volume is so important. When we came up here, guys, like it just was kept wicking above, all this type of stuff. Like you want to see volume in the areas you want to execute at, right? Like we came up into here and just kept going. It's like no, like if we came up here fast with some volume, look at our break, bro. I'm in, right? We're kind of channeling. With the 30-minute open right here, guys. Hopefully we can get like a bottom wick, lead to like a flip, taking out the 30-minute highs. You know. Guys, who was here for that banger yesterday? Who was here on stream for that banger yesterday we got in those US 30 buys? Who was here? Who was here to witness? Thank you very much, Viola. That's so amazing. Appreciate the support. Yep, you guys were here. Appreciate it. It was a banger, guys. Followed our plan. Now we're back. Really, give me a bottom wick or something. Come on. All right, guys. Eyes on. Eyes on it. Let's run it. I hate that the 30-minute has no bottom wick, but we're going to run these US 30 buys. I hate that there's no bottom wick, but you can get a little push. All right, so you guys can see here, we got one position up 1700 from the trade from this morning. I'm still holding on the runner, and you can see we're up 400 on these US 30 buys already. Smaller stop loss, so I want a bigger lot size. So this little move obviously looks pretty good, but we're up a total of 2K just sitting right here, guys. Who here in the chat wants to make 2K today? All you gotta do is come show up. And guys, like none of the trades I take are like hidden. Like all the trades I take are in front of people. This morning at NLT Elite, called banger 8. You know what I'm saying? And then we're back now. We called a banger on US 30 longs yesterday on stream. I'm back trying to do it again. When you win during New York session, do you risk less during power hour? Sometimes. It just depends. It really, really, really just depends if I like to set up or not. Because like if I had like a major day during New York, then yeah, I might be a little bit less inclined to, you know, go on full risk for power hour. But ultimately, still got to give it a shot. I got, so I'm already up 600 on it right here. Nice little push. I'm walking you guys through it. You guys see right here. Come on, it's like taking the dog for a walk. Like taking a dog for a walk. Stop loss still kind of big, guys. We could have it in here. It's just, you know, however you guys want to have risk. I'm such a price action trader. Like, even though like my stop loss is here, you know, if you see volume coming down or whatnot, or even up in here, guys, like, gotta learn how to manage the trade as well. We have a steep trend line right here, guys. Now that I'm actually noticing this, I'm actually going to pay my respects to the trend line. Y'all already know how I do. Now that I think about it, guys, that's a steep ass trend line where we do not want it to come close below it. If we do, I'll probably just get out break even. But we're pushing nice, guys. Like I'm still up 600 right now. Let's see. Yeah, 700, 630, 606, 656, 606.50, 530, 450. Come on. I'm jumping all over the place. Come on. Isn't the 1 hour bearish? What? How is the 1 hour bearish? Like maybe like if you considered this, but look what's left. Like we did this all morning, or not all morning, but like yesterday, and we're retraced to potentially go longer. You know? How's that 30-minute? Yeah, guys, we're tapping into multiple MAs as well and stuff. So definitely just gonna pay my respects to the TL. I would say higher time is bullish as fuck. That's what I'm saying. That's why you guys gotta pay attention to the higher time frames, because like even though on the lower time frames we're in like a bearish retracement, it's just a retracement on the overall higher time frame push. You know what I'm saying? And by the way, guys, if you guys think the price is bearish or you guys don't like the trade, guys, you guys do not have to take these trades. I literally come on here to just trade live and hopefully help you guys understand the strategy, help you guys, you know, get your confidence in trading and all that type of stuff. It's not here for you guys to be here and take my trades. This is not financial advice. This is the boss meeting. This is where all the bosses come to meet, talk, chop it up, and we just make some money during the time during it. You know, that's all I can say. Is it working? Come on. Now I'm up only 300. We appreciate you, man. Learned so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's all that matters, guys. I'm up 130, 150, 50. Yeah, guys, I might just go break even here. I'll let you know. Right here. All right, chat. We gave it a shot. We gave it a shot. I got out, chat. I got out. I pay respect to the trend line. There's been too many times. I have too much data showing me this, you know? It's just how I just gotta follow it. Even if it continues and goes bullish and shit, guys, you guys can totally. All right, here, you know what we could do actually? Let's mark up where the 30-minute low is, because it could just be making a 30-minute bottom wick. So let's just do that. If we can see this low get taken on the 30-minute and then we see another bullish reaction to go, I'll probably re-get in. Because maybe we're just making a bottom wick, right? But we also we made a huge top wick at the open of the 30-minute and we could be flipping now to go down. So let's see if we can make a bottom wick and have a reaction to potentially go bullish again. If not, we might get a steeper retracement, which I just don't want to stand for. I would say it's just a bottom wick in next 15, maybe another entry. Yep. Well, we're here. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'll get back in. I didn't lose anything. And I'm still holding our runner. What's up? That's what's so nice, guys. Like I already made a bunch this morning, and then my runner that I have right now is like as big as like what I would risk full size on like one of these positions, which I might not even risk full size. So you know what I'm saying? If it breaks the highs in the 5-minute, I'll get in. Would like a bottom wick on the 30-minute though. Exactly. Come on, get a bottom wick. All right, let's see if we can make that bottom wick. Maybe try to get like up in here or something. Luca, what was it like when you knew how to trade when you were still broke in college? I don't know. I was just broke. I don't know. Just a lot of candles, matches, and whole milk. About it. Currently full 40 YM. Let's go. I still in US 30. No, I got out break even, guys. I think we're gonna come in to make this bottom wick. If we come make a bottom wick and then lead to a new flip, then I'll go. So you guys can see, just so you know, I'm not like holding or anything. You can see one of the positions gone, still in this window. So you come to like my day and today, and you see I got out with $6 win, just right at break even. And that's my other one from today. I'm transparent, guys. You guys just ask me. All you gotta do is ask me. Would love a bottom wick though, guys. I don't think I'm gonna get in at the highs if we don't make a 30-minute bottom wick. Because then I should have just been in this whole time. And then I'm just like FOMOing in because I got hit break even. Right? Like, I don't know. A bottom wick would make me so much more better. Look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ's starting to kind of fall. Like I said, I think NASDAQ's heading for this. Like, I think there's liquidity sitting down here. Right? What y'all think though? Not working. Neck on wrist on ice and chain hit like lightning. Let's do a poll in the chat. What do you think, chat? Everyone in the chat room, let me know what you think. You thinking buys or sells? Yo, what up, Rubans? Let me see that. Rubans was good. I'm not in these guys, by the way. I would love to take them if we made a bottom wick. Still holding the last entry? Awesome. You're in good profit. In good profit. You're right here. Back in profit. This is the original entry, you guys. If you guys are still holding, you guys are sitting up. What we thinking, chat? You guys are still holding you some goats. Sheesh. Shut my on ya. Luke the Bronco was a smart choice. Had me totally fooled. Good job. Hell yeah. Awesome. Yeah, we wanted to add a fun card to the fleet. Hope you guys liked the video. More videos coming out soon, guys. I'll record something for you guys today. Drop later this week. We're dropping more consistently again. Who here likes like what do you guys want to see more of? Trade breakdowns, strategy stuff, or just like daily life vlogs with some trading stuff in it, or what? What do you guys want to see? All right. All the above. All right, yeah, everyone's just saying all the above. All right. All right, well, I got a question. Like, because one thing I always think of is I was like, damn, if I posted 3 times in a week, like, do you think people are gonna watch the 3 things, or is it they're just gonna only pick one? Like, should I only do 1 or 2? You know, like 2 a week, or if I do like a trade and then a vlog and like a fucking podcast, like, what's good? A little mix of daily life with some trades with some strats explained. Exactly, I know. Maybe I should just include them all, like in the middle of the vlogs. Just be like, all right, guys, now that you're watching, fucking watch this shit. Keep 'em guessing. Quality over quantity, yeah. I've been a rich man, I've been a poor man. I pick rich every fucking time. Oh, look at that too, guys. Withdrawal just hit 2. Let's go. I withdrew some of my profits this morning. USDT received. USDT received. I only withdrew like 2K though. Can you guys see my screen? Go there. Nothing to hide. I mean, I don't think I should show my whole email actually. I'm gonna show you just this part. This is what we want to see from you guys. If you guys aren't seeing this consistently, your withdrawal has been approved. Transfer created. Transfer approved. If they saying yo inbox, tap in with no limit. Come here, show up every day. Come on. Withdraw approved. Y'all know where to be. In the place to be. I should already know. Which is better for deposits and withdrawals, Bitcoin or USDT? USDT. USDT every freaking time. Goals. You guys can do it too. I'm no different, like I said. Literally. I have a gap in knowledge on how to make money when using leverage. I keep getting a message they don't have enough money to execute trades. Yeah, like you, especially with indices, you need enough money in your account for like the margin to hold and stuff, so you don't blow your account. So, yeah, I mean that's definitely a thing. Most definitely is a thing. Damn, guys, look where the MA is right here. It's right at that 30-minute bottom wick. Like, if we just bottom wick and rock it, I don't know. I need everyone to freaking. Maybe I will do a cartwheel. Oh, look at that. Look at Nas just took that low. Look at the volume coming up. Bro, just literally come down a little bit more. US 30, like what? I don't drop no automall, but you know that is my time. Yeah, we could probably get away with this. I came from Mamba. I haven't traded in a few months, trying to decide between Forex or futures. I've never tried Forex. I think just, I mean, it's, you know, at the end of the day, it's price action is price action. You got to know how to trade. You got to know how to learn the candlesticks. I just think barrier to entry for futures. All right, guys, bottom wick made on the 30-minute. You guys see that reaction too? What's good? 30-minute bottom wick created. And look at the volume coming back up. Let's see. Should we do it, chat? Bottom wick was created. Doesn't mean we have to go bullish. Maybe make a bigger one, but I did say I was going to come take out that low. Damn, what's good, chat? And we continue to wait. Car went out of the window? What? I'm at the bottom, I'll catch you. It's crazy. If it's just barrier to entry, the futures is a no-brainer, right? Much cleaner, precise entries. The precise entries, as well as like prop firm accounts, are much cheaper. And my thing is this, guys, is that like, I don't know if you guys don't want to hear this, and I'm sorry if it's gonna hurt your feelings, but you but you have to fail. Like, you guys literally have to fail. It's a part of trading. Everyone's done their tuition, right? I had to blow a bunch of challenges, I had to blow a bunch of accounts. It's just part of the freaking game, right? One way to counter that I always tell you guys is that I understand you guys are going to continue to buy challenges because you guys need to keep trying. Like, I don't want you just to go trade demo forever. But one thing I do highly recommend, and I say this all the time, is that if you guys want to get, let's say, a 100K account, or let's say let's start at 100. So you want to get a 100K account. Instead of getting a 100K, get a 50K, cut it in half. You want to get a 50K, cut it in half, get a 25K. If you want to get a 25K, cut that shit in half, get a 10K. Because if you are putting all that money towards like a bigger account because you're like, oh, this account's the one, I'm sorry to break it to you, but it might not be the one. So instead, give yourself a couple tries. I would rather you guys be funded 4 25K accounts than one 100K. But if I asked all you guys in the chat which one you guys would rather have, you guys probably think, oh, 100K because my trades are bigger and I'll make more. And to me, just understanding the probabilities of trading, I understand that like you're not going to win all the time. So how can you counter that? Having multiple accounts where it's like, you know what, run it up on one account, 3-4%, and guess what? Go trade on the other account, run it up 4-5%, boom, guess what? Go trade on the other account, and guess what? You're on the third account, but now you're actually starting to lose. But it doesn't matter because your other two accounts are already freaking up, right? And it's like whatever, right? You can blow one of the challenges, and guess what? You have 3 other accounts left over. Whereas like if you have a 100K account and you blow it, that's it. That's it, right? So I just recommend you guys all out there, you know, just don't put all your eggs in one basket. Just know that it might not be the one, right? But I will be the one. No, I'm kidding. I'll be the one to help you. You guys, it really just comes from experience, right? Like, I've just been trading for a while. I kind of get it. Got a nice bottom wick now. Let's see if we maybe tapped into discount here. Like, I wanted to say that we maybe needed some. Oh, we're like right there. We're like right there. Not low to that high. We're like literally right at discount. Come on. Interessante. Guys, I think I'm Spanish half the time too. Rudy, should I get the boots? Get my boots. You got some? Nah. I want to turn the AC off because I can't afford it. I'm kidding. Nah, it's just cold as shit. It's starting to get hot. Outside it's too cold in here. Anyone else in here just blast their AC like I do. I keep my shit at fucking 65 all night. And I'll usually turn it up like during the day. I heard this quote today. Just because you never give up doesn't mean you'll make it. There's people out there who don't work for their goals and get lucky. What? Yeah, because it doesn't mean you'll... What? What kind of quote is that? It's the most like unmotivational quote ever. The fuck? Yeah, hell yeah, Ryan's dope. Man, if I kept mine at 65, that energy bill would be double. I blasted it. The UK doesn't need AC. Barely can pay the normal bill. Yeah, well, bro, what a fucking quote. That quote was literally like, you know, you could still try, but just, you know, doesn't mean you're gonna make it. It's like, oh well, fuck, thanks, appreciate it. All right, guys, I might have to get in here on the 30-minute flip and just, you know, my memory's no bitch. Same in the same city, right? So. In classic Florida fashion, I like my AC to be in the high 70s. Bro, if my fucking AC was even like, if I walked in and my girl had my AC at 72, oh my god. Bro, no food for a week. No, I'm kidding. I'm totally kidding. But actually, I fucking love my AC. Don't touch that shit. 70, 80s is crazy. Oh my god. You onto something. Yeah. Yeah, Fabian, they'll send it whenever it'll be in your email. US 40s have some long combos with the Sun 70s is brick. Brick. Bro, Ryan and Tay, you guys should link. What the fuck? That's lit. Trade off in person. I don't know how far away you are from Tay, but Tay with Tay's car, he's gonna get there in 4 minutes, no matter where you are. My girlfriend said you drink so elegantly. Hey, bro, watch out. No, I'm totally kidding. No, good. I just like my smoothie. Oh, well, we're trying to find some traders out here. You found Tay. There's a hidden message in that. Fucked up. Fucked up. Come on, US 30. What you want to do? Womp womp. Hey, bro, just curious why you say 1 hour on US 30 is bullish. We gotta, like, what do you mean, bro? Like, what you mean? Like, if I come to the chart on US 30, what direction is it going in? Like, I don't know how else to, I don't know what to tell you, brother. Don't know what else to tell you. Shane hit. RV handshake. Shut up, Arthur. I have this feeling he's going to dump. All right, then get into sales. You see just playing with your... Nah, bro, no emotions. What? Got no emotions. I'm sitting up $1,700 right now. You think I got any emotions? Most people would just close and just walk away. Whatever. I always tell you guys, mom ain't raised no bitch. I might jump in here on the candle flip just to fucking prove the haters wrong. No, I'm kidding. 1 hour opening right now. Let's see how this 30-minute closed. Alright, so 30-minute closed bullish. There's just like a fat fucking doji. It made that bottom wick though. That's why I always talk about, guys. I always tell you guys, Luca, why do you always wait for talks about tops and bottom wicks? Because 99% of the time, they're going to have some sort of wick. I don't know. Let's look at US 30. I mean, NASDAQ guys is ugly. Like, I would consider this. I'd consider this cooked. Like, if I wasn't still holding it, it would just be, no, you know, US 30 to me is the only thing that's looking decent. You guys got to remember, the reason I have this line here is this is where the 30-minute flip is. That's why I have this buy position here. Is, you know, bearish, 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 hold the low, flip. That was the flip. That was the flip zone. Do you live trade in the AM or alerts? I live trade. I live trade with my NLT Elite group. It's called NLT Elite. Only the elites be in there. Mostly because we all rich. No, I'm kidding. Nah, but I mean, we're undefeated all week, which is pretty good. Pretty good. 0 losses in the AM session. It was my insecurity, Luca. I'm in buys right now. I love that. House almost jumped in. I mean, guys, I think the buys are there. Like, y'all don't have to convince me about that. I've been we got into buys. Like, I told you guys I was buys. Are you anything? We took US 30 buys. I got stop break even, but we're looking at potentially a re-entry. Mustard. Put up on it. Man, somebody gotta do it. Come up in it. Everybody gotta do it. Hey, turn that TV out. Turn that TV out. If you mark your swing, we haven't broken out of the... I mean, bro, we trade different. Like, you're here to watch me. If I traded like you, then I would have you on here. Sorry. Like, you know, you keep trying to convince me to sell, but I'm not going to sell, you know? If you want to, you can completely sell. Easy as that. You know, to me, you go to a higher time frame, what direction is going in? I don't know what an MSB is or whatever the fuck you're talking about. But I do make money. That's all we're here to do. Let's hit it, chat. See what this 1 hour gonna do. Hopefully we wick fill. I'm looking this as bullish. We pulled back, took liquidity under this low, held it, right? It looks like we're holding this low after pulling back into the fib zone and looking to potentially go long, right? This looks like it could potentially just pull back. Here we go. Anyone can join the AM sessions? Nah, it's like you know, like a subscription or whatever. The link is in the description on WAP, NLT Elite. Turn this TV out, turn this TV out. MSB market sent me broke. No, like everyone trades their own way, but I just like people who try to convince me to not take my trade because they see something different. It's like, bro, you can see something different. There's plenty of times you guys can win and I lose or whatever, but like don't like convince me, you know, to like, because it's just gonna fuck up my bias. Like, what if I then listen to you and I wanted to sell and then I sell and then I lose? And it's like, wow, I just listened to someone in the chat, right? See, and I hella wanted to pull the trigger here too. It's like, now I'm, you know, having second guesses and shit because everyone in the chat's trying to tell me sells because of a fucking MS, whatever the fuck. Who's still holding that? Holding good shit. NASDAQ broke highs again. I'm still up. 1800. 1800. I'm in NASDAQ and gold buys. Let's fucking go. Wow, guys. Well, US 30 on that TP'd. But I guess we're supposed to sell. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Let's get it. Turn this TV out. Turn this TV out. Let's see, chat. What do we want to see? Definitely want to see a break of structure up here. Would love that. You know, we could get a push down here. You know, we keep trying to go here, but maybe we just need a slight retracement. You can see here we kind of came down. We're holding this low, came up. Maybe we just need a slight retracement down like this. Look at the market structure, right? Here, here, up, hold, ding, boom. All right, that's basically what I'm trying to look for. Something like that. Big ass trend line too. Look at this, guys. We break out of this. It's like, actually, that's kind of a bad trend line. Goes through too many of the tops. Maybe we'll hit off this third trend line like this. Straight Picasso on this bitch, guys. I've been telling you, I'm actually Picasso. So since we wait and tell us, Luca, what was your favorite childhood show / cartoon? Sheesh. Favorite childhood? I mean, I don't know. When I'm talking about like younger, I think of like fucking SpongeBob, bro. I loved SpongeBob. SpongeBob. I don't know. Who's a Who's a 99 baby? I was born. I'm basically. I'm not really. I'm like the very end of 99. I'm December of 99. So like, I'm one of those people. People make fun of that. Like, people be like, I'm a 99 baby and be born like December 31st, 1999. Nah, but I'm December of 99. So I'm basically a 99 baby. But nah, like I watched SpongeBob. Bro barely made it. You ever watch Regular Show? Nah, like my little siblings did. I wasn't. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't really like the Regular Show that much. Regular Show was huge though. Like it's such a good Ed and Eddie, exactly, shit like that. Like I watch Ed and Eddie. Fuck. And then like Disney Channel too, like Sweet Life of Zach and Cody. Like oh my god, bro, what the fuck? Like I wanted to like get. I literally just wanted to go on a cruise, and I was like, I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. You know what I'm saying? I'm not fucking leaving. What else, bro? Fucking, what's that one with Selena Gomez? Where she's like a witch. The Wizards one. That one, come on. Selena Gomez was, you already know. I don't gotta say no more. I don't gotta say no more. Next question. No, I'm kidding. Fuck, what else? It's a good question. Guys, this was so, look at all these pullbacks too, guys. These are all pullbacks in the fib levels. Pullback, continuation. Clean. Oh, fuck. Well, we gave those buys a shot. Where were those original buys, guys? Over here, I think. So it actually was good that we went break even. I kind of forget. Oh no, it wasn't here, I think. Oh wait, no. No, I wasn't here. Because we anticipated the 30-minute flip. Kids nowadays missing out for real, I know. Now they gotta learn about like fucking rainbows and shit. No, I'm kidding. 4 good pullbacks. Yeah, it's also like the 1 minute though. It's like you're gonna buy every pullback. But I mean, guys, like at the end of the day, I hope you guys like learn the overall bias with the market structure of understand like, oh, all right, higher time frames looks like we're continuing up, but on the 30-minute looks like we haven't made a low, so we gotta make a low. Boom, once we make a low, looks like the 1 hour is gonna hold this low, and now we're breaking bullish back up at the flip right here. Boom, looking for longs in this area. Boom, pullback, look for continuation. You like, you know, it's you know, I definitely feel like I've been breaking down price pretty well. And I hope you guys kind of can at least like understand why getting in at certain places, why you're waiting for certain things, like the 30-minute, all type of stuff. If you could pick any career not trading, what would you pick? That's a good ass fucking question. Like, is it like I'd have to go apply for a job, or I could just pick? Because I just wouldn't want a job. I don't know, bro. I don't know. The only job, I guess, that maybe the light bill company. Sheesh. Any career. I think it would be very cool to like run a festival. I love music and I love festivals and shit and like food and like fucking whatever. Like I would just throw like the best festival. That'd be sick. I think that'd be sick. I'd probably invent like I'd do like a festival on an island, and then I'd say all these big guests are going and that they're gonna stay in these big villas. And then once they show up, there'll be no guests and nowhere to sleep, and then the artist won't even be there, and then no way to get home. That's my game plan. Okay. LOL, Ja Rule, what up? Sounds like a Diddy party. Luca the bounty hunter. How different would you say your power trade is different from Mamba breakout strategy? It's different, but I trade more volume based during open though. That's what I'm saying. Is you guys want to come trade the open with me? It's much more volume based, looking for breaks, taking profit, and then you're fucking just can fuck off for the day. Whereas this, you got to kind of break down price a little more, wait for certain things because, not as much momentum. You got to be like more correct about the direction. That's called kidnap. No, I don't know if you guys know, but like the reason I said that is that actually happened. Like there's this guy, I forget his name, but him and Ja Rule like said they're doing a festival on this island called Fire Festival, and people bought these fucking insane tickets. They had celebrities like endorsing it and we're gonna go and all this type of stuff, and then they showed up and there was like nowhere to stay. The food was fucking awful. The artist didn't even show up, and then like no one could even like get home. Kind of crazy. The morning breakout is easy to understand, but I need to know what you know about the power hour trade. Yeah, no, I know. More liquidity concepts, direction, pullbacks, waiting for certain things, price action wise. I get it. That's why I do it here, and I do it for you guys, you know. Not even really. I don't gatekeep it too hard. You just got to come show up and like apply. Like, there's so many people who like I know. If you guys went back and just studied all my live streams, you guys could get so much information. It's crazy. Like so much good information. Sheesh. You can feel the wicks in the you can feel the wicks on the 5-minute. Like continue up more. It's rejecting pretty hard, but yeah, I mean, I'm overall bullish. Like even if it were to pull back, I still think it's just pulling back to potentially continue. Like that's the whole. Like I think we're correcting this, right? Like this was a correction. Continue, right? Like boom, 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 low here, here, here. Continuing. Not the worst PA. And we're just now breaking out of that trend line and stuff. Like, you know, definitely could be a good entry. Remember 24. You think you hardcore. How old you is? Guesses. How old do you guys think I am? How old do you guys think I am? 34. 39, bro. Like, okay, bad question. Next question. Oh fuck. Nah, man, I told you guys I was born in the end of 99. So, and we're in year 2025. 300 like Chief Keef, exactly. I keep that shit 300. Damn, they calling you Unk. I know, bro. Like, what is Unk 25 now? Fuck. Oh god, yeah. Fuck. I'm Unk now at 25. That sucks. One thing that's cool though is because I'm born at like the end of 1999, is that like whatever year it is like how old I am. So when I'm old as fuck and like I try to forget, I'm just go like, what year is it? Oh, we're in 2080. Oh, I'm 80. Yeah, you a baby already, that's dope. Thank you, bro. She, you know what? I'm not Unk. Not Unk yet. Remember 34. That's great. Look, you're doing well. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Lucas still. That's crazy. Yeah, you got a head start. I started trading at 21 with no direction. 11 years later. Congrats, Ryan. Well, guys, bro, guys, you guys got to think that everyone only starts at their own journey. I always hate. That's why I hate comparison and shit, because like, bro, like you guys, you know, a lot of you guys are calling me baby and whatnot. Guys, I see people at fucking 18 and 19 driving fucking GT3RSs and Aventadors and shit. You know, it's crazy. But the reason I bring that up is that I shouldn't feel like that, because no one should feel that, you know, because people just get on to certain things before, right? It's like, why is Mamba where he's at? It's like, bro, he started at 16 years old and he just never gave up. And motherfucker, come on. So it doesn't matter when you get started, it's that when you start, guys, you just go fucking ham. Everyone's on their journey and timeline. Exactly. Like, bro, there's one person, bro, there's people who became CEOs at fucking 60 something and became millionaires and shit. It's like, you don't know when your time is. But it'll come. It's when luck meets with preparation, because like people will say like, oh, you got lucky. It's like, maybe, but you can't be lucky if you weren't actually doing the action to become lucky. Does that make sense? You know, does that make sense? Like, I wouldn't say it's luck, it's more timing. It's like preparation and just working hard and being there at the right timing. That's what I think. It's not luck, it's just good timing. All right, guys. So like now that we've taken out this high, you could see like I'm a big like, all right, where's the draw on liquidity, right? It's like I understood that price kind of made this impulse, retraced, took some liquidity, and then, you know, I kind of wanted to take out these highs, right? Which we did. Now that we're getting this push back down, where's the liquidity now, right? I would say potentially under these lows. I don't want to like freak anyone out who's in buys or whatnot. You got to think if people were trying to buy here, maybe one last push in here to continue, because I still think we're going long, but you know, we're still rejecting from this downtrend line and whatnot. It's just looking at this higher low, taking it to the higher high, you know, potentially taking our profit or whatnot, but it looks like we could potentially make it a higher low to continue higher high and so on. But just want to identify that we are rejecting in a pretty, I would say, prominent rejection zone. So definitely just want to watch out for that. Luck equals time plus preparation. Yep. I don't think luck is 100% real. It takes far more than just being lucky. That's what I'm saying, is you have to like work hard repeatedly for a long time, and then and sometimes it just happens. And people are like, oh, you got lucky. It's like, nah, like I've low-key been waiting for this for a while. Like, yes, you might think it's lucky because it happened, but it's like, bro, it just worked out. Let it all work out. I appreciate all you guys though. Like, just know that all you guys are on your own timing, and you guys never know what you learn could even, it might not even be, this might sound weird, but like you learning trading right now and stuff might not even be for you, right? Like it might be for your kids or a friend or someone that you're going to show, and it's going to change their freaking life. You know what I'm saying? So you just never know. Like everything just kind of happens its own little thing, right? It's like you learned later on to then teach your children. Now your children are learning at fucking 16, and then they're driving whatever the fuck by their 20, right? Luck is scratching a lottery, which I'm never fucking looking at. I know. That's how I feel when I think that the light bill will just disappear, right? Like I think I'll get lucky one month and they just won't charge me, but it always comes back. I was just thinking maybe this month they'll just forget. Maybe this month they'll just let me slide. Comes back with fees. It's like I couldn't afford in the first place. You're gonna add fees? What was the aha moment in your trading career? All that bad habits that you get rid of to be profitable? Yeah, like bro, like I mean, you kind of said it, but just the you know, getting rid of the bad habits. Like I already knew a pretty good strategy. I already was doing well. I was trading GJ during London. Like I was finding success. But like all of you guys, like when I consider like you guys, or like myself too, like not just you guys, but like the break even stage is when like you're winning, but you're also losing, and like the loss, you're kind of just eating up your wins, and it's like you're not really like overall losing. It's just like you can't really get ahead. You're kind of just like a break even tree. You don't really know how to get ahead. The things that fixed that for me, I'm not even gonna lie. First thing I gotta give credit to was magic keys. Literally, when I got magic keys, there was a couple months period where I was like, I turned into a fucking robot. You know, like I always say, that is one challenge that like I fucking not one losing trade, like the most flawless execution and stuff. Literally perfect risk management, good ass entries, dragging your stop loss, correct lot size, going for 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. It was beautiful. But magic keys. So what magic keys did was the proper risk management. Is that like, you know, like you guys know what lot size to use if you guys have like a 20-point stop loss. But what if it's 30? What if it's 35? What if it's 42? What if it's right? Like when it's off by 1 point or whatnot, it actually changes a little bit. So like having something like that helped me because I think I just wasn't being as consistent. So it goes into what I always talk about your guys' losses eating your wins. Like that would happen to me. I would win a couple and I would be up, but then I would take like one bigger loss that took away more than it should have. And once that got eliminated and I was able to like I always tell people like on my mentorship or whatnot, it's like if you guys sent me what is like your trade log looks like, I'd be able to go back and see like what's going wrong. You know, are your losses all consistent and small? Like how big are your wins? Like what time are you trading now? Like I can just identify like what are some things that may be going wrong. Being like, oh damn, look at every time you lose, it's at the same time. Like, right? Like certain things like that. But definitely proper risk management and just letting my, you know, winners kind of fucking run and keep my losses small. So that was one major thing. And then sticking to one entry model and like one entry model, one pair, like 1 to 2 trades a day, right? Like once you did that over a consistent period of time, I was trading GJ, you know, at London Open, being consistent with that, and I was able to just learn so many good lessons with that, trading with people and whatnot, that it helped me a ton. And then what else can I equate to it? I don't know, just working hard and shit. I don't really know. See what I sent you? What did you send me? What the fuck? That's fucking funny. Should I play it? That's so funny. How can I we're up a total of 2K just sitting right here, guys. Who here in the chat wants to make 2K today? All you gotta do is come show up. And guys, like none of the trades I take are like hidden. Like all the trades I take are in front of people. This morning at NLT Elite, called banger. Did I really sound like a fire? Like are like hidden. Like all the trades I take are in. That's actually kind of funny. So funny. W content, that shit's hilarious. Alright guys, this shit's fucking weak. I can't even lie. I can't even fucking lie. like we could stay on here to the 350 candle, guys. Honestly, I think the trade that was missed was this rally right here, right? We were in the buys over here, got the retracement on the 30-minute, and I should have got long for this thing, taking profit at the highs for this retracement. Looks like we're retracing. We still could hold and go, but like I said, guys, we took the liquidity above. We could try and take some buys up in here, but technically the liquidity may be sitting below here in some sort of area to look for a reaction. So I think I'm just gonna call it a no more trade day. And yeah, price is giving nothing right now. Yeah, it's just like, you know, we would just be sitting here, whatnot. Still fun to be here with you guys. You know, we were here for like an hour and a half. Just, you know, always fun. I love being here with you guys, showing up, having fun. But yeah, like I just don't think, I think if I sit on here, I might just force myself into a trade. I'm still up, like I said, you guys can literally see. Still up 1600, float on that NASDAQ position. I kind of want to, I'm just let it see what kind of happens and how it goes into Asia, and I'll kind of decide what to do from there. But definitely a beautiful freaking entry. I love it. And what else? Keep believing in yourself, guys. Do you know the movie Bambi? It's 82 years old. What? Damn, actually is crazy. That's a good ass movie. But if you guys catch a banger, send it in the Discord. Let me know what you guys are in. I always want you guys to be more active in the Discord and send your guys' progress. Like, you know, I definitely look in there sometimes, guys. If you guys are sending profits, want some feedback on charts or whatever it may be, do it in the Discord. Tag me and all that. Right, the Discord link is in the description of this video right now, like what you guys are watching. So just click on it where it says Discord. Hit that where it says NLT VIP or NLT Elite or whatever. Guys, that is where you guys can live trade with me during New York session. Come catch bangers with me, you know, in the mornings. And then obviously I'm here with you guys later on for Power Hour, which is always fun. But thank you for teaching a lot, bro. No cap. Of course, guys, I'm always here. I'm here to help you guys. Here to help you guys make some extra money. And who was in the chat today saying they have like, oh no, someone during AM session, they have two separate accounts. One account's like theirs that they trade on, and they have one account just for my trades, which kind of sounds crazy. I don't even, you know, kind of put pressure on me. But at the end of the day, guys, like in the AM sessions and shit, like I haven't even lost this week. So if you guys want a little bit account, broker in the description, come trade live with me, take some trades, make some money. I'm here. If you guys want advice on what lot size to use, all that type of stuff, guys, just DM me on Instagram. I got you guys. So appreciate you guys. See you on the stream again tomorrow. We're back with another one. And hell yeah, I love you guys. Peace out. Thank you guys for coming again. Appreciate it. If you guys haven't watched the new YouTube video too, go watch the new YouTube video. I love y'all. Peace out, guys. Go leave a comment. Love y'all.